talk today about credit consumer scores versus a mortgage score. So number one, it's used by different companies. So the consumer score in this particular instance is Vantage Score. And for the mortgage, we use FICO. Okay, that's the model that we use. So the differences are the 6 categories that the consumer score gives you is a little different from when the mortgage score from FICO that we use. We use all 3 credit bureaus, where for the most part, the consumer score, usually it's one credit score that you're obtaining, unless you press another button and then pay for the other 2, right? But there are 3 credit bureaus. Do you know who they are? Equifax, Transunion, and Experian. And what happens is, why do we need all 3? Okay, so we need all 3 because not all credit or trade lines report to each and every single bureau. Secondly, they all use a different method of calculating your risk. So with that being said, CFPB, which is a Consumer Financial Protection Program, you can really have your credit pulled. They have a 45-day rule, and it won't hurt your credit when you're dealing with mortgages because they know you're out there shopping around. Okay, little different when you're purchasing a car, right? Because sometimes what they do is they're running one credit score most of the time anyway, and if they can't help you, then another company is running it, and then another company, right? Because they have their bank that helps you, and then they can have 5 or 6 different other banks, which means they all have to run the credit. So I don't know if you've experienced that before, but that is what usually happens. So wanted to ensure that when you're working with New American Funding, that we are compliant, right? And we're here to make sure we help you to get your goal of home ownership. Okay. Now here goes the consumer CFPB link. I'll have it right here in the email. And at the end of the day, now that you understand this a little bit better, definitely would love your feedback. And then New American Funding contends with a lot of different loans that they can do, right? We're privately owned, we're a direct lender, right? And we are a purchase property company. That is all we do. We focus on the loans for people to become home buyers. Yes, there are other banks that do other things, but our focus is getting you the home, educating you through each of the processes. And most importantly, we can usually close within 14, 21 days in order to compete, especially in this market. So there are a lot of different types of loan programs. So I'm just going to briefly go through this. And every week I will send you a different video to educate you on some of the things that are here. You have a conventional loan, you have non-agency. So non-agency is the out of the box. I'm a 1099, I'm self-employed. What kind of way can I do it so I don't have to, I can minimize my taxes, but still purchase a home? And then you have government loans, VA, FHA, USDA, and down payment assistance program. Feel free to give me a call at 619-846-2675, here to help you each step of the way.